got a U17, run out of diesel, and the diesel's not going through. So just called a friend of mine. I didn't really see any useful videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make my own. So it's not actually, I thought it's because the diesel's not going to get through the pipes. It's actually not. So when it runs out of diesel, it collects all of the crap from the bottom of the tank and it pushes it through the main pipe at the top of this housing. So what we need to do is we need to take this housing off, get to the pipe at the back, take the 17mm nut off. Should be a load of shit in there basically. We're going to take that out, put it back on, see if that fills back up with diesel. Let's go. So we just took the housing off, guys, and look at that. That is the problem. Don't run a diesel low. Terrible. So I'm going to take that off now, blow all of that out, get her back on, hopefully she starts. So we've cleaned everything out now. You see all this sludge. There was actually a stone stuck on the bend where it comes in at the back. So hopefully now the fuel's on. Hopefully when we turn it on, just the ignition only, that should now start rising with diesel. Put diesel back into the system. Job's a good one. Go for it, Cam. Just the ignition. And there she comes. Happy days. Still a little bit of crap at the bottom now, look through.
Clean it out.
Yeah, stop. Right, you just see all of that crap there, guys. So I'm just going to take that out again, empty all of that stuff out before it goes back through. So we just emptied it again because it was a little bit rubbish. So this actually rises when the water and shit gets in the bottom. So when it's at the bottom, it's good.
Fresh as a daisy.
Still a little bit in there.
That'll be sound.
Right, moment of truth. Come on. Well done.